rain yesterday didn't come too soon because of Saturday. I don't think a lot of people around here could hardly breathe because of the pollen.
There have plenty of problems. Yeah, the count's still real high today, but I think a lot of the pollen that was on the microscope today attached before the rain started. So yeah. I'm assuming and pretty sure that tomorrow the pollen count over the previous 24 hours is going to be better.
That.
Okay, some good news coming, but you're not going to like what you're going to see in just a minute. First of all, let me show you, at least we didn't see this morning. We only saw rainfall. There was damage over in Houston, in the Houston area in several counties, including Harris County, Brazoria County, some roof damage to a house, some tractor trailers blown over in that area too, 60-mile-an-hour winds measured on Highway 290 Loop 610 over in the Houston area. And then one tornado touchdown just southeast of Dickinson in the Texas City area there in Galveston County earlier in the day. So tornadoes on one side of the state, rain here. Take a look at the other side of the state. Midland, it is snowing again. You know, they had half a foot of snow on Christmas. They had a white Christmas. Well, the total may end up in Midland at maybe 7 to 10 inches, but by the time this snow ends tonight, and this has really been some year, Midland has now had 14.4 inches of snow this season. That is an all-time record for them. Can you believe that? Mainly coming in these two storm systems. Well, this is what happened around here today, and it's wonderful. Didn't get quite an inch of rain in most places. We did get 9/10 of an inch right in Austin at Camp Mabry. 6,200s out of the airport. San Marcos area, especially just east of there, around their airport, 1.37. That's kind of nice. Georgetown, about a half an inch. Close to a half an inch out around Lakeway. Heaviest rainfall near our area. It was just outside of our viewing area down in Fayette County. 4.4 inches measured just south of I-10, a little southeast of the Weimar area. So they were pretty lucky. Flash flooding in the Houston area in addition to that storm damage because that rain stayed real heavy over to Houston. 3/4 of an inch in LaGrange. Saw about 7,900s up in Lexington. Bastrop, kind of a little donut hole there, and you folks weren't in a very good spot with just 1,400s. About an inch over eastern Gillespie County, 7/10 of an inch in Johnson City, only 1/3 of an inch in Burnett, a little more down toward Marble Falls, about 2/3 of an inch in Llano, about 3/4 of an inch out in Mason, and then up to the north in Lampasas, the amounts were a little smaller there, as you can see as well. Well, let's take a look at what's going on out there with the rain and the clouds. Temperatures chilly. It's in the 40s right now, foggy out in Llano County, and 46 degrees. 46 in Georgetown, 50 to 52 between Austin and over into LaGrange. Austin's officially 48 in town, but 50 out at the airport. With a cloudy sky, no rain on the radar to show you right now. Have 7 to 9-mile-an-hour winds. Sunset, you won't see it tonight, but it's at 5:48. A mold count was a medium today at 417, but the cedar count was still high today. In fact, the highest of the season at 7,810. But again, we do believe a lot of that was washed out of the air, so tomorrow's 24-hour count will be better. 32 out in Midland, 37 in Abilene, 46 in Dallas, 67 in Houston. What a contrast across the state. That's why this stuff has been blue and pink out here. That is a snow and a wintry mix falling with this upper level low clearly visible there over Midland. But we're beginning to see the dry air now, so the rain is for the most part over. But a winter storm warning is out here. Travelers westbound, be aware. San Angelo by morning could end up with 4 to 7 inches of snow. Storm totals of 8 to 10 inches out not too far from the Midland area. Travel west may be a little rough going. It should stay liquid north, though, if you're going toward Dallas before it ends tomorrow and we begin to see clearing skies and then sunshine on Wednesday. Okay, let's talk temperatures tonight. Upper 30s, low 40s. We shouldn't fall to freezing anywhere. Tomorrow afternoon will be a little warmer. If we can get a little sunshine through the clouds, should rebound to the mid-50s. Tonight, just some lingering drizzle. 40 the low in Austin in the morning at the coldest. 56 tomorrow. Clouds begin to break up and thin out as we go through the day, especially out in the hill country. And then Wednesday, 39 in the morning, 68 in the afternoon. Nice day, right? Well, a cold front comes through, and then we've got some cold mornings coming as we head into the weekend. And we're including a chance of rain right now next weekend. Computer models are completely in disagreement about this, but I want to keep you aware that one model does make it a little rainy again next weekend. We will follow that trend for you.
Okay, Jim.